Patrick. And I recently decided to change my diet and go keto. I'm just going to continue to document my experiences, food changes, or anything else that I think might be helpful for anyone else that may want to give it a shot. One thing I've definitely noticed is energy levels have been substantially higher. Generally, I will want caffeine right around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, which is a huge benefit than spending $3 to $5 on a caffeine source 5 days a week. This is Pandy. Semenko. If you have questions, let me know. Comments. If you like it, give me a like. Maybe give me a follow. If you don't, that's cool too. God bless.